In the mists of antiquity, long before the rise of empires and the clamor of modernity, the Japanese archipelago bore witness to the birth of a faith as old as the islands themselves, the Shinto religion. The origins of Shinto, rooted deeply in the land's indigenous people, the Yamato, are shrouded in the veil of time. Scholars trace its beginnings to the Jomon period, 14,000 BCE to 300 BCE, where evidence suggests animistic beliefs and rituals honoring nature and spirits, known as kami, were prevalent. As the Yayoi period, 300 BCE to 300 CE, dawned, the Yamato people began to form a distinct identity, and with it, their religious practices coalesced. They worshipped the kami, personifications of the forces and phenomena of the natural world. These deities were not bound by a singular pantheon or hierarchy, rather, they were present in every aspect of life, from the mighty mountains to the gentle rivers, from the fertile fields to the azure skies. The Yamato people's relationship with the kami was not one of subservience but of harmony and mutual respect. Their rituals were designed to maintain a balance between the human and supernatural realms. Shrines, often built atop sacred sites, became the physical manifestations of this connection, serving as a conduit between the people and the kami. The Heian period, 794–1185 CE, marked a significant turning point in the evolution of Shinto. With the establishment of the imperial court in Heian-kyo, modern-day Kyoto, the emperor assumed a central role in religious affairs. He was considered the descendant of the sun goddess Amaterasu, the most revered kami in the Japanese pantheon. This divine lineage bolstered the imperial power and legitimized the ruling class's authority. Yet, despite the growing political influence of the court, Shinto remained a deeply rooted grassroots faith. Its adherents continued to honor the kami in the countryside, preserving the ancient traditions that bound them to the land and its spirits. Throughout the centuries, Shinto would evolve, adapting to the changing political and social climate of Japan. But at its core, it remained a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Japanese people, their deep reverence for nature, and their unwavering connection to the land that cradled their ancestors. In the annals of history, the Shinto religion stands as a timeless relic, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring bond between man and nature. It remains an essential component of Japanese identity, a beacon that illuminates the path to understanding the country's past, present, and perhaps even its future.